Hello everyone! In today's demo, we will look into submitting fashion data through our newly upgraded Codatta Clip. After adding Codatta Clip Chrome extension to your Chrome browser, you may pin Codatta Clip from your extension tab and log in to Codatta Clip. After that, you will see the interface that has fashion, crypto, history, and referral. After clicking on the big Start button here, it will prompt out to let you log into Instagram, and then the button will show a loading status, which means our Codatta Clip is collect fashion data for you to earn rewards. While it is collecting, you can keep Instagram and Codatta Clip open while working on something else on your computer. Once it reaches the points you would like to receive, you may click on the button again, and your earning will be added to here. This is the daily upper limit of points you may receive. Thank you for watching this demo. See you next time.